AI is literally making money for people while they sleep. Let me tell you, one of my cousins built a tiny Chrome tool using Claude Code. It now makes him around 3.5 lakh every month without him touching it. This made me think there are many people missing the same opportunity because they think AI is just hype or too technical. Honestly, you do not need to be a tech expert or write code. Today, I am showing you 5 AI businesses making people real passive income right now, ranked easiest to most profitable with exact steps. I will also tell you how you can start these. Number 1, at the end, is the craziest. Watch in order because each idea builds on the last. Number 5, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Millions of people in India are looking for jobs right now, and almost all of them have terrible resumes and dead LinkedIn profiles. They know it is bad, but they do not know how to fix it. You open Claude, paste in their resume, and ask it to rewrite it for a specific role, making it results focused and under one page. Claude rewrites it in 30 seconds. You clean it up, add your judgment, and deliver. Same with LinkedIn. Rewrite their headline about section and experience so they sound worth hiring. Charge 1,000 to 3,000 rupees per resume on TopMate or Gumroad. Every person you help tells 3 friends, so word of mouth does the selling. 10 resumes a week at 2,000 each is 80,000 a month, and each one takes you 15 to 20 minutes. But resumes are one-time payments. The person pays once and leaves. What if you could find clients who pay you every single month automatically? That is exactly what the next idea does. Number 4, AI-powered Google listing optimizer for local businesses. Try this right now. Search for any restaurant or salon near you on Google Maps. I guarantee 9 out of 10 have terrible photos, no description, 0 review replies, and no Google posts. They are invisible to anyone searching online, and they have no idea how easy it is to fix. You use Claude to rewrite their description with the right keywords, create review reply templates, and write 1 Google post per week. Walk into the business, show them their listing versus a competitor who looks better, and say, I will make yours look like this for 3,000 a month. Easiest sale ever, because they can see the problem with their own eyes. Once set up, each business takes 10 minutes per week to maintain. 30 businesses at 3,000 each is 90,000 a month for about 5 hours of actual work per week. But even this needs you to show up every week. What if you could build something that earns money even on weeks you do absolutely nothing? That is where the next idea takes things to a completely different level. Number 3, AI newsletter on Beehive. This one genuinely blew my mind. Beehive is a newsletter platform, and they are paying creators over $1 million every single month right now. Brands like Google, Netflix, Notion, and HubSpot are actively advertising inside newsletters on this platform. And you do not find the advertisers yourself. Beehive matches you with brands and places the ads automatically. You just write and send. Pick a topic people care about: AI tools, personal finance, Indian startups, health and fitness. Start a free newsletter on Beehive. Use Claude to write each issue. 1 email per week, taking about 30 minutes. Here is why this is insanely powerful. You have 3 income streams stacking at once. First, Beehive's ad network pays you automatically once you cross 1,500 subscribers. Second, their boost feature pays you $1 to $5 every time you refer a subscriber to another newsletter, which is completely passive. Third, you put affiliate links inside your emails and earn commissions on purchases. One AI newsletter recently listed for sale was doing $14,300 monthly profit, 95% automated. One person running it from a laptop, and the whole thing sold as a business for a massive multiple of the yearly earnings. Now, newsletters are incredible, but there is a ceiling on what each subscriber is worth. What if every single user paid you 500 or 1,000 rupees every month automatically without you doing new work? That is where the next idea takes things up by 10 times. Number 2, build a small software tool with Lovable. This sounds scary, but it is genuinely not. I'm talking about a tiny tool that does one boring thing well and charges monthly. Invoice maker for freelancers, reminder system for gyms, fee tracker for coaching institutes. In 2023, this needed a developer and 3 months. In 2026, Lovable lets you describe what you want in plain English and builds it. No coding at all. Type build me a tool where freelancers create invoices, track which are paid, and get reminders 3 days before due date. Lovable builds it, add Stripe for payment. Charge 500 to 1000 rupees per month. 50 people paying 1000 is 50,000 every month automatically. And every new sign up permanently increases that number. You are not starting from zero each month. It only goes up. Cannot build it in 2 weeks? You are overcomplicating it. Cut features, launch ugly, polish after people are paying. Now, micro SaaS is powerful, but it still needs you to find users and fix bugs sometimes. What if you could build something even simpler, put it on a store with millions of visitors and let it sell itself? Something so small it takes one afternoon to build but earns for years? That is exactly what number one does. And this is the craziest passive income idea I have found in all of 2026. Number one, build Chrome extensions with Claude Code. Let me tell you 3 real stories. A guy built a Chrome extension that auto reschedules US visa appointments. One feature, one afternoon. It makes him $150 every single day now. He has not touched it in months. Another person built 2 simple extensions. One deletes Google Photos in bulk, the other deletes Reddit post history. Both earn over $500 a month each. Combined, that is over 80,000 rupees monthly from 2 tools that each took a few hours to build. Someone else found a bug on a popular tool by browsing GitHub issues. Built a Chrome extension that fixes it. Sold it on Gumroad for $15. Did 240 sales in 3 months. That is $3,600 from patching someone else's problem. Here is why this works so well right now. Chrome extensions are incredibly simple to build with Claude Code. You describe what you want in English and Claude Code writes the whole thing. You test it in your browser and publish it to the Chrome Web Store for free. Unlike mobile apps, there is no painful approval process. The step-by-step for finding ideas is this. Go to Reddit and search for complaints about popular websites. Go to Twitter and look for people saying, I wish this tool could do this one thing. Go to GitHub and browse open issues on popular software. Every complaint is a Chrome extension waiting to be built. Build it with Claude Code. Publish it. Charge a one-time fee or $3 to $5 monthly. A Chrome extension with 10,000 users paying $5 a month is $50,000 every single month from one tool built in one afternoon. Quick recap. 5. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization for quick money this week. 4. Google listing optimizer for local businesses that pays you every month. 3. AI newsletter on Beehive with 3 passive income streams stacking together. 2. Micro SaaS with Lovable for recurring monthly payments that only grow. 1. Chrome extensions with Claude Code, which is the fastest path to serious passive income I have seen this year. If you need money this week, start with resumes. If you want steady monthly income, start with Google listings or the newsletter. If you want to build something that genuinely changes your financial life, build a Chrome extension or a micro SaaS. But do not try all 5 at once. Pick one. Give it 3 months. That is the only difference between people who build passive income and people who just keep watching videos about it. Start today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. I make videos every week showing how to use AI as your unfair advantage. Subscribe if you do not want to be the person who looks back a year from now wishing they had started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.